Glad you set up AdaL. Before we run any prompts, let us get oriented in the project. To follow along, you'll need a code editor open alongside your terminal. Any IDE works. VS Code, Cursor, whatever you're comfortable with. Here, I'm using Google Anti-Gravity, but the workflow is identical for either of these options. Why do you even need an IDE at all? AdaL is going to create files, edit those files, and drop research artifacts in your project directory. IDE is your review layer. AdaL does the work, you see what's done, and stay in control. Open your IDE with your terminal. You'll use both throughout the course. In your terminal, navigate to the course project and open it in your IDE. Two folders worth knowing right now are Course Starter. This is your PM workspace. All the Pawprint context files and the lesson modules live here. The next one is Vibe Coding Project. The Pawprint web app lives in this one, and I'm going to show you how to run the server, and we'll work on this later in module 3. You just got a message from the VP of Growth, and they think Pawprint needs to attend some conferences, and so they've asked you to put together a short list. No brief, no template, no analyst to hand it off to. In this module, you are going to do the entire task, the research, synthesis, and the output, everything inside AdaL CLI. Let's kick off AdaL Web. And the first thing we want to do is to know what is this company and what is their current stage. Refer to the module 1 file for the lesson prompts. The @ symbol is how you give AdaL a file as a context. Now every answer is grounded in this actual source of truth. Watch the IDE as AdaL response. If it writes a file, you will see it appear in your project directory in real time. Let's go deeper. In this next exercise, you'll put context from 2 files at once and synthesize them into a single output. Steal the prompt from the file again. The last part, cite the source, is the key. This is traceable synthesis, not generic summary, and this helps you with where did this come from kind of questions. Check your IDE. You should see a new MD file drop into your directory when AdaL finishes. Now the main event for the module. You're going to ask AdaL to go out and do actual web research. Your prompt gives AdaL 2 context files, the company brief and the OKRs. So every recommendation it makes is grounded in those actual goals and constraints. The output is a nicely formatted research report with a comparison table and a bottom line recommendation. That concludes module 1. You've grounded yourself in the company, synthesized a brief, and used a search agent to produce a research memo.